Alright, this is a video for the easy install version of the fan controller for a PS3. As I already did the first few steps because they're pretty self-explanatory, and there's videos on the web showing how to open the system, remove the power supply, everything like that. Basically, you have to open the system, take the top off, remove the power supply, and then there is a big cubby hole right here. There's just kind of wasted space that when they made it square, it was left over, I guess. You take the double-sided tape off, or you take the protective coating off the double-sided tape, stick it down in there so it holds in there. Then you unplug the fan and plug it into the controller board that's stuck down in there. Now the controller board that's stuck down in there has a plug that looks just like the fan. And you plug that into where the fan was plugged in. Then you take this wire, the 3-wire, and you run it up to the front of the system, and you screw in the little adjustment unit right there using the stock holes. You don't have to drill anything or anything like that. And then you plop the power supply back on. You reconnect the front connector, you reconnect the back connector. Obviously you put in all the screws. You slide this wire down the middle between the Blu-ray drive and the power supply. There's a good little bit of space there. Once you do that, you can just kind of push the wire into the cubby hole, and I can just get it to sit right, and there we go. So I'm going to throw the screws in, throw the top on, and then I'm just going to cut to when the system's all put. Alright, the system's back together. Turn it on its side so you can actually see the screws. You can see them when it's turned on its side. When it's horizontal, when it's laying flat, they're essentially invisible from where they are. Now the way it's adjusted is you take a small screwdriver. It can be flathead, it can be Phillips, as long as it's small enough to fit in the hole, and you just slide it through the hole right there, and you can adjust the speed just like so. So gonna turn the system on, and alright. Okay, so that's max speed. Obviously it sounds kind of like a vacuum cleaner. Odds are you will not want it running at this speed for day-to-day use. So the setting you're going for is whatever sounds acceptable to you. Basically, there's no such thing as too fast except for how it sounds to you. So set it as high as you can stand. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple system to install, pretty simple to use, and it works really well.